Hi, my dear students. Very good morning to everyone. Welcome to the next session of our Maths revision class. I am Satish Kumar, your mathematics teacher at Dr. BSN School. So, in the previous video, we did revision on the topics that is forming the greatest and smallest numbers with the number of digits given. And also, we discussed about yes, smallest single digit number, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, so on. Like that we discussed about greatest 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, and so on. And we find out the total number of 1 digit numbers, total number of 2 digit numbers, total number of 3 digit numbers, total number of 5 digit numbers, and so. Isn't it? And later we discussed about the concept of Indian system of numeration as well as the international system of numeration. Okay, Indian system of numeration as well as international system of numeration. And we have discussed about different periods, ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. And crores. Here crores means it is an 8-digit number. How many digits? 8-digit numbers. And if we speak of 9-digit numbers, speak of 9-digit numbers. So if you have number of digits 9, then its value is 10 crores. How much? 10 crores. The number of digits are 9. If you have 8 digits, that is what we call crores place value. So if it's 9 digits, then the place consisting of belongs to 10 crores. And we have the numbers from, where the numbers from? Yes, 10 crores to 99 crores, 99 lakhs, 99,999. That is the smallest and the greatest. Okay, and speak of 10 digits. That is 100 crores. How many crores? 100 crores. Okay. That's it. So, greatest 100 crore number 999 crores, 99 lakhs, 99,999. Okay, my dear students. So, the 9-digit numbers means it consists the highest place value as 10 crores. If it consisting of 10 digits, then the highest place value belongs to 100 crores. Smallest 10-digit number is 100 crores. Greatest 10-digit number is 999 crores, 99 lakhs, 99,999. Okay, my dear students. Now, here we are going to discuss about one more important thing in our periods and places. If we speak about Indian system of numeration or international system of numeration, Indian system of numeration, we can also call as Hindu-Arabic system. Hindu-Arabic system. If we speak about the places, so I will write down the places now. Ones, tens, hundreds. This comes under period ones. Yes or no? Next, thousands, 10,000s. It comes under the period thousands. Okay. Then lakhs, 10 lakhs. It consisting of the period lakhs. And then we have crores. Crore, 10 crores, 100 crores. Just now we discussed about crores. So the periods here is crores. If we speak about in these places according to Indian system of numeration, we have ones, tens, hundreds, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crores, and 100 crores. Are you following? Now, if you look at carefully, see, ones and this is tens. That means 1 is multiplied by 10 times. 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000, 1000 tens are 10,000, 10,000 tens are 1 lakh, 10 lakhs is 1 lakh here. So again into 10 means 100 lakhs. 100 lakhs indicates 10 crores. So if you see, as we move on from right side to the left side, in Indian system of numeration or international system of numeration, the place value is increased by 10 times. Place value increased by 10 times. Based on this, here we can frame out some relations. Let us take 1 lakh. Very funny relations. 1 lakh equal to how many thousands? Here up to here 10 thousands. So into 10 is 100,000. So 1 lakh is equal to 100 thousands. Do you will understand? Yes. Next comes to 1 crore. 1 crore is equal to how many lakhs? Here lakhs and 10 lakhs. If it is any other, next one will be 100 lakhs. So 1 crore is equal to 100 lakhs. Next, 1 lakh is equal to how many thousands? 1 lakh is equal to how many thousands? Try it out. I will write down here 100 into 1 lakh means if I want to write down this in thousands. Write down in thousands. Or, okay, thousands enough. 10,000, 100,000, 1,000 thousands. And then, yes, 1,000 to the next. 10,000 thousands. 10,000 thousands. 10,000 thousands. Okay, so 100 into 10,000 into 1,000. If you can say like this, if so, write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Thousands. You have converted into thousands. This much number of thousands. 1 crore is equal to. See, write down. Do you understand? Okay. So this may be somewhat bigger. Okay, leave it. Then check out for here. 1 crore equal to how many lakhs? 100 lakhs. 1 lakh equal to how many thousands? Yeah. 100 thousands. This is very simple now to understand. 1 lakh equal to 100 thousands. So 100 lakhs means 100 into 100 thousands. This is easy, I think. So you can write 10,000 thousands. 10,000 thousands. Say 10,000, 100,000, 10,000. 1 lakh. Are you able to understand? So 1 crore equal to how many lakhs here? 100 lakhs. 1 lakh equal to how many thousands? 100 thousands. So 100 into 100 thousands. So 10,000 thousands. Are you able to understand? Yes. Like that you can able to bring the relationship between different place values. Remember one important thing that as we move from right to left in every consecutive place value increases by 10 times. How many times? 10 times. Now, I will move to Indian system of numeration. Sorry, international system of numeration. I will keep out this one here. Below that, I will write down here. International system of numeration. Ones, tens, hundreds. This comes under which period? Yes. Ones. This comes under ones. Next. Thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, 100,000s. What are these spaces? Yes, this period is thousands. Very good. Next. Thousands next? Millions. Millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. What is this? Yes, millions. This is millions period. Next, if you have anything. We have millions next. Billions, billions, 10 billions, 100 billions. Okay, do you understand? So comparison between the two number systems. This is Indian number system, Indian system of numeration, and this is international system of numeration. Then how it goes? You can check out the comparison between the place values of both Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. Look out here. Yes, 1 lakh equal to how many thousands? 10 thousands. Like, and you can bring the relations. 1 lakh is equal to 100 thousands. Okay, now then 1 million equal to how many lakhs? Yes, 10 lakhs. 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. 1 crore is equal to 10 millions. 1 crore is equal to 10 millions. You will understand. Now we say billion. I'll write down here. Yes. 1 billion is equal to 100 crores. 1 billion is equal to 100 crores. Are you able to understand? So 1 billion is equal to 100 crores. 1 crore equal to 10 millions. 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. 1 lakh is equal to 100. So just I am comparing the relations, places. This means 1000 crores. 100 billions means 10,000 crores. Increase place value by 10 times. Able to understand? Just note down this. It will be very easy to remember the places, periods in both Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. Just note down this. It will be very useful and comfortable to you. Enough. It's very easy to remember you. Okay. So 1 billion is equal to 100 crores. 10 lakhs, 1 million. 1 crore means 10 millions. And here 100 crores means 1 billion. Okay. So in this way, we can able to frame out different relations between the two number systems. That is Indian system of numeration as well as international system of numeration. If you want here, you can also write one more. This one. 100 millions is equal to, yes, 10 crores. 100 millions is equal to 10 crores. As 1 crore equal to 10 million. So multiply both by 10. 10 crores and 10 times 100 millions. Like that you can able to represent the relation between both Indian system of numeration as well as international system of numeration. And here, next one. Have you noted down this one? Yes, it's very important. You have to note down so that with the help of this table you can easily able to answer the blank spot from this. Very easy. Now, we are moving to write down the numbers which was given in Indian system of numeration. We will turn up into international system of numeration. As you already know about how to write down the numbers using commas. Then instead of going that topic, I will go through another one. What is that? See. Here a number is given like this. 29 crore. Be ready everyone. 35 lakh. 29 crore, 35 lakh, 46,000, 753. 753. The number is given in which system? Can you identify? Yes. It is in crores, lakhs. You can see means it is clearly in Indian system of numeration. And this is to be written in international system of numeration. Which system? International system of numeration. First, let me write this number in numerals. In numerals, I have the place values up to 10 crores, 10 crore place values. So, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Enough. How many ones are there? Sorry, there one more left, that is still 53. 53. Okay. Okay, my dear students, that is about 53. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, my students. So first write down this in numerals. 53 indicates how many ones are there? 3 ones. 50 indicates 5 tens. 700. So in 700 you can write. 46,000. 6,000. 46,000 means here 4. You can divide it into periods. Very easy to identify. Then 35 lakhs. So 3 in tens place 10 lakhs and 5 in lakhs. 29 crores. So 29. So what is the number here, Rita? 29 crores, 35 lakh, 46,753. Now you have to write down this in international system of numeration. So I am writing the number down. 753645392. Now put the commas first. If you place the commas, you can easily able to write it down. In the internal system of numeration, commas are to be placed for every 3 set of digits from right side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Over. Check out the periods. Ones, thousands, millions. Yes or no? So we can easily write down. This is 293 millions. So 293 million. 93 million. 293 million. 500. I have to write down about thousands. 500. Yes. 46,000. 46,000. The remaining same as one is 753. One's place doesn't change. 753. Okay, my students. So that is the way it is given in Indian system of numeration. It was asked to write down in the international system of numeration. Okay, my students. In this way, you can able to note down this. So the same way, we can convert the numbers which were given in the Indian system to international system as well as international system to Indian system. So here I am going to give some numbers where we need to change from one system to another system. Okay. So how to change the numbers which were given in one system to another system? Just we have to follow the rule of periods. So according to periods, place the commas. Thereby we can easily change the numbers from one system to another system. Okay, so here comes your first number. 4256876. I am not going to read full number. Now I am asking you to read it out. So check out the place values ones. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So how to read this number? 42 lakhs, 56,876. That is a given number. Now we have to convert this number into international system of numeration. We have to convert this into international system of numeration. How to convert? First you remove the commas and write down the digits. So 4, 2, 5, 6, 8, 7, 6. So how to use the commas according to international system? We have to start from the right side and we place after every set of 3 digits. Set of every 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is the number to be written according to the international system. So if we come to the places, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. So how to write this? 4,256,876. So in this way we can able to convert a number which is given in one system, change it to another system. Okay, my dear students. Similarly, we have some more so that you will get a practice of it. I am going to write down this one. You have to write it. You try it first. So it is 800 millions. 800 millions. Okay. So how to convert this into Indian system of numeration? I'll give 5 seconds of time. Think of it. Yes. First of all, what you have to do? Yes, you have to remove the commas. Then, after that what you have to do? You have to place the commas according to periods in Indian system of numeration. I hope you have completed. So I am going to write down my solution now. So first write down all the zeros, including 8. Okay. 3, 3, 6, 2, 8 plus 1, 9. 3, 3, 6, 2, 8, 9. Sorry. How to place commas? First comma after set of 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Then periods of thousands. Then periods of lakhs. Are you following? So this is a number according to Indian system of numeration. One more. I will write in Indian system. You try to convert into international system. Okay. Yes. Try to convert into international system of numeration. Okay. Yes. Are ready now? Yes. First, what you have to do? Write down the digits. What were given? 9, 5, 7, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, na? Commas. How to place commas according to periods? In international system of numeration, we have ones, thousand, millions, billions, like that. So every 3 set of digits. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Like this, you can able to place the commas. So this is how we can return the number which is given Indian system to international system of numeration. Okay. Then one more number I will give in this one. International. 6303 448433. International system. So 3 again 3 again 3. It is in billions. Okay. Now we are ready. Indian system of numeration. Okay, my dear students. Yes. Write down the number first. 6303 448433. First comma after setup it is 1, 2, 3. Next again 1, 2, 1, 2. 630 crores 34 lakhs 48,433. So this is how we can convert from a number given in one system to another system of numeration. One system to another system of numeration. Okay, my dear students, this is very important. And the previous example we explained about one more thing in words. So these two are very important in order to solve a problem. You might get one from this. Okay. Okay, my dear students. So this is all the revision for today part. We learnt about the number systems, how to place the commas, place values, number of digits. Okay, and then next class we will move to the use of large numbers in our daily life. There you learnt about QSEC, TMC, like that. Those things will be revised by us in the next class. Okay, my dear students. Until then, bye. Have a nice day.